Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So today what we are going to be doing is changing out these bulbs on these AlphaRex headlights. So currently they have H7 HID bulbs in, and today we are going to be changing them out for H7 LED bulbs. So I bought two different sets of them. I bought the Hikari H7 bulbs. I bought the 2019s, and they were 40 bucks or so. Yeah, I think it was 40 bucks. But I bought those for the low beams, which would be the top bulb right there. And then for the lower bulb right there, I bought the Hikari 2020s, which were, I think, 70 bucks. The 2019 edition is 9600 lumens, and the 2020s are 10,000 lumens, so they're just a little bit brighter, so that's why they are going to be the brights. And then I'll do the little bit like not as bright ones as the low beams. First thing we should have to do is, well, we're gonna have to access the backside of the headlight, and with them put in like that, you really can't do that. So what we're gonna have to do, unfortunately, we're gonna have to take this front end apart, which I really hate doing, but we're just gonna have to do it. And we're gonna be able to get on the backside of these headlights, so then we can put in the new bulbs. Alright, so we got the whole front end taken apart and everything. This headlight should be totally loose in here, should have every bolt undone. Yeah, we should be good. We have got that headlight taken out. The only thing with it is up here my wires are pulled a little tight, so we don't have a whole lot of clearance, like room to move. But on the back side of this headlight, yeah, on the top and bottom, there's these twist things. I don't know what you want to call them. But basically you're going to twist that, and that'll open, and that is where the headlight bulb itself is sitting. I really didn't see any harm in it, so I just went ahead and I totally took out the headlight, because there was just like 4 clips or something. Super easy. They just all popped right off because it's all just plug and play stuff, and it gives me a lot more room to mess with this now. Now that we've got more room and we're able to actually see this, we should be able to get a better look at what's going on and be able to install this properly. Alright, so I got the top side put in. It was kind of it was a little rough. It wasn't terrible. You can see the bulb is lying right there. But basically you turned that, and then there was 2 little clips that came down holding that bulb in place. So you just have to push them down and bring them out to the side on both sides. That thing pops right up, and then the bulb just pulls right out, and then there's the wiring for the back of it. And the new little wire on it said positive and negative. I really don't know which side goes in which. So I plugged the positive in to the black wire and the negative into the blue. Not sure if that's right, but I guess we'll give it a try. I'm going to plug the headlight back in real quick into the truck, and we'll see if it works. If it does, I think I'll hook up the wiring the same on the other side. But if it doesn't work, then I guess we know the other side has to be the other way around for the wires. So we'll give it a try. If it works, I'll pull it right back out and we'll throw in the high beam. But yeah, anyways, we'll plug this guy back in and we'll make sure it works. Alright guys, well, I got this one side put in, and not this side yet, but I have got this side put in and I got it reinstalled. So color code was totally opposite of what I thought it would be. For the low beam, which is the top bulb or slot there, the wiring was blue for positive and black for negative, which I thought was going to be the opposite of that, but that's what it was. And then for the low one, there was a white and brown, and I thought the hot would be the brown, but nope, it was the white. So now you know, because when I plugged them in, they didn't work, and so I had to replug them back in, pull the thing out, replug them back in. But they both work now. And so, like I said, I've got the Hikari 2019 edition H7s up top, and down low we have the Hikari 2020 edition H7 bulbs. Let me turn them on real quick for you guys and show you what they look like compared to the other ones. So they're super bright, like I can even tell just out here. So here you go, guys. Get down here. Yeah, they're super bright. They're 6K cool white is what they both are. And the top one is, it was 9,600 lumens, and the bottom one was 10,000 lumens. But that's what it looks like. It matches that whole U-barb now, which is pretty sweet. And then you come over to this one. It's really hard to tell on camera, actually, but I can totally tell in person. This one is just like a yellowish color almost. And this one is like that blue LED light that you think of when you hear LED. Here's what it looks like on the garage, on the door. The left one, so right there, obviously, is that HID bulb, when this one over here is obviously the LED bulb. And they line up about the same. I'm pretty sure it lines up exactly the same, like this top line here. I adjusted it with the HID bulbs in there, and it looks like it lines up the exact same, so we shouldn't need to change anything. But yeah, they're just super bright. Let me turn on the high beams real quick so you guys can see them. There is the high beam with it. Super bright. Just super bright. Yeah, that bottom one is, oh man, those are bright. The bottom one's definitely brighter. I can tell when I'm staring straight into them. They're super bright, but the bottom one is definitely brighter. Man, I can't see anything now. Yeah, here is the HIDs again. And then, even when just looking at them at the wall, you can just tell there's a huge difference. But yeah, those LEDs are way brighter. I can't see anything right now. I was looking right at the camera's angle when I put you guys in there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but when you come right up next to it, you can kind of hear humming noise. And so when you looked at the back of the bulb, I think there was like a little fan on it. And so I think what that is it's that fan on the back of the bulb running, trying to keep it clean, or like keep it cool. But yeah, guys, they are super bright for sure. And I did read in the little Hikari book thing that came with it, as it says when you install them, make sure you line them straight up and down, because you'll get the best results that way. So I made sure to do that when I put them in. I put them as close to straight up and down as I could. Once they're already in, you really can't see them because of this weird glass on the front of it. You can just see on my hand just how bright they are. Super bright. Yeah, these things are super bright. But I did try to put them as far or as close to up and down as I could. But anyways, that's how it looks. I think it looks really good, and it performs really well too. I can't wait to take it out tonight and go drive it. But anyways, let's get these shut off, and we will get to doing this side. Hopefully the wire color and everything's the same, but I'll let you guys know. But yeah, let's get it done. All right, guys, so I got this driver's side put in. So unfortunately the wiring was a little different. I haven't tried it out yet, so I don't know if it works, but on the high beam, there was a white and a solid white, and on the other side there was a white that was the hot. So I did the white that was the hot, and on the top there was a blue and a brown, I think. So I did the blue, I believe, as the bright. So we'll try it out, see if either of them work, if we have to switch any around. But that's what I did. We'll try it out. Sweet. Well, it looks like they work on both sides. On the low beam, so the top bulb, on both sides, I believe the hot was the blue, and I think on the passenger side the neutral was black, and on the driver's side the neutral was brown. For the high beams, on the driver's side, the white was the hot on both sides, but on the driver's side the neutral was a white with a blue stripe. And on the passenger side, it was a brown. Yeah, so we know all the bulbs work and everything, so let's finish getting everything hooked up here and put back together, and then, put everything back together and then test it out again, make sure it works, and see how we like it. All right, guys, and there you have it, just like that. It is done. Didn't take too long. It took, maybe an hour in total, but that's because I had to figure out the wiring on it and take everything apart on it. Super easy install, like not hard at all. It's just pulling the headlights out. So I'd say if you buy the headlights, buy the bulbs right away. Put them in before you even install the headlights and make it a lot easier. Let me turn them on real quick. Just show you guys again what they look like. So there we have it. They are super bright. It's kind of hard to tell when you're standing right in front of it like this, but they're definitely super bright. They also match that DRL bar on the outside a lot better, I think. So at least. So there's the low beams. There's the high beams with it. They're super bright as well. And then there's the fog lights with it. What do the fog lights look like? Yeah, they are all just super bright. They're all super bright. I think it looks really good though. But yep, there we go, guys. There you have it. They are the Hikari 2019 bulbs up top, like for the low beams, and the Hikari 2020s for the for the high beams, the ones down low. But yeah, I think that is about it. I think in total it cost me about $110. I think it was $40 for the low beams and $70 for the high beams. But yeah, that should be about it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. And stay tuned for more future mods on the truck. And yeah, drop a comment on what other mods you guys want to see me do. But as always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys next time.